Its total length is 53, the height is 15.5, and we have the 19.5 plus the half of the diameter. Here we have you can consider it as thickness. Okay, go to the inventor, select the sketch. I want to use the top plane, rectangular. We have extra rectangular from the two sides. It's 12. You should save the drawing or capture the screenshot from the drawing and look my modeling and drawing in sketch. Here we have 8. It's for the earring. You can use the relation to ignore repeat the dimensions. Make a relation horizontal from the origin. Okay. Here we have the width. The width is 8, or you can make this length and this length equal, and this length equal. Okay. Here we have the total length is 35. We have here and here rectangular. Select the arc. Also you can delete it. Make the amount again is 35. Okay. Delete this and this point. I want to mirror it to avoiding repeats and make it faster sketch. Here is tangent again from this length and this length. Should be tangents. Okay, the tangent arc is 2 millimeters. It should be coincident. Okay, I repeat again. Make coincidence. Two millimeters. Okay, the width of the rectangular, if I mention it extra, it should be correct. And here, change it to, okay, it's 2 millimeters, it's 4 millimeters from the length to this line. It's 10 millimeters. Okay, look, it's correct automatically. Trim the extra. Okay, make a length. This line from the origin is 10 millimeters. Again, make a tangent from this line. Okay. Select the line, it should be for construction. I want to mirror it. Mirror this sketch about the mirror line. Apply, done. Okay, it's the fully constrained. Exit. The thickness is 5 millimeters. Okay, it's not closed loop. Again, go to the sketch. If it doesn't work, I should okay. Thickness is 5.5 millimeters. I want to change it. It's aluminum 6061. It's a kind of aluminum alloy. Go to the S gauge. Here it's 50-55. Again back to the S gauge. Here make a sketch on it. Select a rectangular. The width of rectangular is 2 millimeters. And make a length about 30, or it's also you can change it to 50. Okay, make a dimension it, make a relation. Here is a collinear from this length. Also you can drag it here. Finish the sketch. I should to cut this profile sketch about 0.8. Okay. Put fillet, make amends to 0.5. Sharp should okay. Here we have the fillet because when you machinery it should be fillet. Operator can't do that if it doesn't have a fillet. Okay. Again, you can select the fillets or add a click to add. It's better all fillet in one option and change it to 0.3 here. It's fine. Okay, it has a fillet. Select OK. Select this plane, make a sketch on it. Slice graphic, rectangular. You can move it. It should be collinear from this surface. Here, change the arc. I want to create the drawing I show you here. Here it's a 14 width about the from the back. It's the lowest surface has a 19.5 from the center of the arc, and the lowest surface and the diameter is 6. Okay, back to S gauge. It's 6. It's 14. The center from the bottom is 19.5. Make a relation. Okay, delete it, make this line at 19.5. Okay, it automatically reach to the center point. It's fully constrained. Exits. Make a volume, but it should be symmetric. Two sides. Okay. The amount of the thickness is 10 millimeters. Here make a fillet point half. This line. Okay. Again, sketch under this surface, slice graphic. Here I want to make a arc here. It should be coincident from this length. Again, it's 10. Okay. The tangent, the important relation is they should be vertical axis, and also project this curve, and it should be to concentrate with this. Okay, exit. Okay, it's finally recognized. Also go to the here, select the profile, and the circular should be cut. Go to the mirror, mirror this feature about this face. Okay. Fillet, change it to half. This sharp edge should be fillet. Also, we can fillet this sharp edge. Okay. Sketch on this face. Here I want to create it. Okay. Back it to sketch. Select rectangular. The length is 10. The width is 8 millimeters. Also, it should be collinear. Here about this face. Okay, it's remain just should be midpoint of the line and the midpoint of this face. Exit, extrude cut about the 1 millimeters. Also, it's make it volume. Okay, cut it. The direction is here. Select a fillet 0.5 this sharp edge, and when you machinery inner, it should have the fillets inside this edge and this edge. Okay, you can mirror it, fillet. Okay, when you error it, it describe you have a problem. It's error because it doesn't have a pocket or cutting from this face. Okay. Select the mirror, extrusion, and the fillets. Both of them should be make a mirror it. Also, here needs to be fillets. Okay, it's done. I want to create the hole, this hole, and the key cut here. The diameter is 18 and it's the true hole. Select the hole, it's a simple hole without any seating. When you drag it the mouse on the curve, it's automatically make relation collinear. Change the hole diameter to 8. It's the true termination. Okay. It's errored about the direction. Back to the drawing. From when you in a top view, we have a two hole. Here it's just for the socket head screw, and the feature is 3.5. It's for the M3. This hole is suitable for the M3. Select the hole, perpendicular from the top view. Okay. We have the seat is the spot face, and change it to ISO to, okay, it's 2007. It's for the M3. Also, you can change it to 3 point. I want to change the head 6.5, and here the hole size is 3.4, and the sitting height is 2 mm. Sorry, I forgot to make a location in drawing. It has from this line or this face it's 8 mm. About the width, it's middle of the width, it's 8 mm. Here also you can refer to this dimension. When this length is changed, automatically this length also together will change. Make a midpoint, and here, okay, it's fully transparent. I want to create this keyhole. It's the 2 mm. From this line to center is 5. Sketch. The length is 2 mm. Also from the here, let me check again. It's 5 mm. It should be vertical about the center. Okay. Cut it through. Okay, our keyhole is created. Okay, it's also is finished, but remained this face hole. Zoom out. Here we have the hole. It's a 4 diameter, and it should be true all. It's 86, it means it's true all about this face has a 3 millimeter and the thickness is the middle of the thickness. Okay, take a hole, this face. It's a simple hole, the diameter is 4. Go to the sketch, perpendicular the view from this face. It's 3 millimeters and it should be also horizontal or middle of the thickness. It's fully constrained. Okay. Here we have a sharp edge. We can make comments. 0.5 millimeter. Okay. Our sketch and our modeling are finished. Let's go to the next